Hi everyone, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to look into Bitcoin and what are the important levels that you need to keep in mind. So I hope you find today's video valuable. If you're joining me for the first time, do subscribe to the channel, come back for new videos and like the video. So let's look at Bitcoin. We are currently looking at Bitcoin daily, and as you can see, it's in an overall amazing uptrend where it is only changing gears. If you observe, this first move took a lot of time, and in comparison, the second move came very quickly. So if you use an analogy of a car, then you can see that it's shifting gears, and as long as the overall trend is intact, you can only expect it to keep ripping higher, uh, because there is Bitcoin halving that is about to happen. There is a Bitcoin ETF demand, which is constantly every day. You can see net inflows getting into Bitcoin. So there's a huge demand and there's a supply shock that is about to come in the next 2 months. So what are the important price for Bitcoin right now? The most important price for the midterm, in my opinion, which is over here at around $43,000 region. This is a very important price in my opinion. As long as we hold this, you can see this was the breakout zone which led to this huge upside. So if at all even we come back and retest this zone as support, it will only act as a huge support and you will find bounces from here. And as long as we do that, I think Bitcoin will keep going higher and the recent trend would be intact. But overall, it is a huge uptrend, so there is no kind of any danger I see right now. You can see such a huge uptrend. Even if it comes down and retest these zones, the trend would still be intact, which is at around $36,000 region. So let's say for any reason, if there is a market wide crash and even if Bitcoin comes over here, it's still overall the trend which it started since its low in December 2022 will still be intact. So trend wise, there is no threat to Bitcoin. For important levels to keep in mind right now, $43,000 is the most important level. Currently, Bitcoin is trying to break this resistance, which is at around $49,000 region. Again, it's trying to break, and you cannot assume that it's broken immediately. It is definitely showing strength, but as you can see, the RSIs are already to the upside. So if at all it takes a lot of time over here and then come back and retest, an RSI reset can happen. So currently you are currently at resistance until proven otherwise. And let's say if Bitcoin does successfully break this 49 $50,000 region, then the next important level is going to be $55,000 region. So a very important two resistance which Bitcoin is trying to currently break, and eventually in my opinion it will break, whether in one go or two go, that we have to see. So keep prices in mind. 43,000 is an important level. For any reason, let's say if there is some kind of a huge correction or market wide crash, then the next important major support should come in play, which is at around $37,000 region. This in my opinion would be an amazing buy the dip opportunity and a good zone to retest supports and reclaim supports. You can see this was a previous support. So this region to be reclaimed as previous supports is a fantastic confirmation for the overall trend. So I hope you find today's video valuable and do come back for new videos. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye.